Welcome, and for now is a Xiaomi Mi A3, and today I will show you how to format the SD card of the device. So to get started, you want to go into the settings, and from settings to storage, just close this, and you should see your SD card right here. So as you can see, SanDisk SD card, tap on it, and from here tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and go into the storage settings. And from here you should see format option. So I just tap on format. It gives you a message that it will remove all data that is on the card. So let's just confirm it. Then you have a progress of formatting, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used again. So about now. It's done and it's ready to be used again. So that is how you would format the SD card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.